Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best car leather cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best car leather cleaners that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Leather CPR Cleaner and Conditioner. For best results on your leather seats, you'll want to clean and condition them. Most cleaners are one or the other, but this one from Leather CPR is a combination of both. The final feel after using it was top-notch. It was the best of our most recent batch of leather cleaners for testing, and right up there with Leather Honey. And while it did clean up our lipstick and crayon quite well, it struggled against the deep stains. Additionally, we had a bear of a time with the security seal. It seemed messy and unusually tough to remove. But if your seats just need a surface-level clean and an excellent conditioning all-in-one, this is an efficient, effective option. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Detailing Kit. We couldn't conduct a test of car leather cleaners without at least considering Chemical Guys. Whether you love or hate the brand, in my experience, Chemical Guys products provide at least passable results while making whatever detailing job you're tackling relatively easy and affordable. This kit was no different. Right out of the box, the HOL 303 kit makes a solid first impression. The packaging feels professional, as do the included applicators, microfiber cloths, and brush, which came in a nice rich brown that feels right for cleaning and treating old leather. I started with the quick detailer, which was easy enough to spray on and wipe away. It smelled great, and picked up a surprising amount of dirt for a first pass. Next I moved on to the cleaner, which lathered up nicely and made quick work of the dirt embedded in the seams and perforations. As in the Chamberlain's kit, the included brush was a game changer, helping work the formula into the leather while lifting grime from deep within the grain. The scent was clean without being overpowering, although once dry the finish was left slightly shinier than I personally would have liked. At number 3, we have the Leather Honey Leather Cleaner. Leather Honey is one of the top choices on Amazon, but we were a bit disappointed with its cleaning power. It reigns as the top dog in post-clean feel, however, as it left the leather feeling soft and supple. This surprised us a bit considering its reviews, but the name is appropriate. It struggled on the deep stains but worked fine on the crayon and lipstick marks. Its greatest advantage is the way it made the leather feel, which might be better for refreshing only slightly dirty seats. Leather Honey also claims to be great for leather jackets, boots, and purses, and we can absolutely understand that. For household use on items like apparel and leather furniture, this is the stuff we'd choose after a more robust clean. So if your seats don't need to be deep cleaned, give Leather Honey a try to achieve a fantastic feel. Follow it up with Leather Honey Conditioner for an even better result. At number 2, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Leather Detailer. Meguiar's 3-in-1 Ultimate Leather Detailer scores a close second in our test, thanks to its power and smell? That's right, this stuff smells like fresh apples. Don't ask us how, but it works well and smells great. The power was immediately noticeable, as it erased the crayon and lipstick with ease, and pulled up some other stains in the process. Afterward, the seats felt clean, but not as hydrated as with the Weiman cleaner, a clue that the included conditioner didn't work as well. However, a slight shine was also visible without a residue. As for that smell, it was a nice change from the chemical odor typically found in other cleaners. It might not be for everyone, but our testing crew enjoyed it. If you don't, plug your nose and scrub away, because this stuff flat out works. And finally, at number 1, we have the Weiman Leather Cleaner. Weiman Leather Cleaner is our choice for best overall. A combination of performance and post-cleaning feel boosted this bottle to the top. As you can see in the image below, the crayon and lipstick seemingly evaporated. The quick speed at which the Weiman cleaner performed was also noted. Not only did it clean well, this cleaner had the seat feeling supple and healthy after just a single minute of cleaning. There was no residue post-cleaning, yet a slight shine remained. It features a somewhat strong smell, but the stuff boasts cleaning, conditioning, and protecting qualities. Our testing results supported these claims, so Weiman Leather Cleaner is our best overall leather cleaner.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.